Okay, got 2 boxes of '07 Donruss Americana here. I'm going to open. Just got okay, pack 1. Not thick. There's a Terra counterproof. Martin Club private signings, numbered to 1250, 660 to 1250. And a proof in that pack. Okay, pack number 2. This has got a thick one here. Oh, Carrie Fisher, Cinema Stars. Wow, numbered 1 of 60. Oh, I'm sorry, 9 of 10. It was upside down. Number 9 of 10. Wow. It's a nice one. Of course, I'm a Star Wars fan. That works out good. Very nice. It's a thick one, too. Okay. Oh, a duel. Co-stars Ernest Borgnine and Debbie Reynolds. Numbered 11 of 50. It's a nice one. Doing good, bud. Okay. Last pack, box 1. There's a proof of Gretchen Wilson. 75/100. That's nice. Lana Turner, Hollywood Legends. Numbered 78 of 325. That's a fancy swatch there. Silver. Wow, that was a good box. Carrie Fisher. Happy with that. Yep. Box number 2. Carrie Fisher card, numbered to 10. Okay, that was nice. Glad I bought these. Box number 2. Okay. Pack 1. Yeah, these things. Some of these packs are already open when you open the box. They come undone. Alright, this is thin, so it's probably an autograph. Patrick Harris. Got a proof here of David Faustino. Bottom card, Billy D. Williams, and Scott Baio private signings autograph. It's interesting. Numbered 78 of 200. Scott Baio. Pack number 2. This is a thick one. Okay. Michael Powell. Lee Majors. Here's another proof. Barbara Eden proof. And Hollywood Legends, Jane Mansfield, numbered 82 of 100. It's pretty nice. And then a Leonard Nimoy. Oh. Okay.
Number 3?
Yeah, pack number 3. My son Zach just walked in. This is a thick one, Zach.
Yeah, of course.
This is a really thick one. This feels like a cut signature.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Catherine Bach.
Who's cutting?
Glenn Ford insert. Oh, wow. Catherine Bach cut signature, director's cut. Numbered 2 of 50. She was Daisy Duke. Yeah, Catherine Bach. Daisy Duke. She wrote Daisy Duke on the cut auto. Cindy Williams. Yeah. Gee, that's a nice one. There's some really good stuff here. And
pack number 4.
Yep, pack number 4, says Zach. This is thick too. Mike Huckabee, Adam West, Larry Hagman, Cinema Stars.
Ooh.
Hugh O'Brien proof swatch card, numbered 49 of 50. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Nice cards. Thanks for watching.